How to get rid of under boobs rash. Over 70% of the women actually suffer from under boobs rash, especially women that have larger boobs. Because of this, many women have gone for boobs reduction because they suffer rashes, they suffer hyperpigmentation. Let me tell you everything you need to know about under boobs rashes. Please like and subscribe. The full video is on my YouTube page. This is caused by sweat or friction that happens under the boobs. Causes of under butt rashes: sweat and friction. Skin folded with sweat, the friction that happens between the skin rubbing against the skin, it is one of the major causes of under butt rashes. When it's in a very hot weather, the sweat is being trapped and it causes redness and irritation. This is why you need to stop wearing tight bras. Many of us wear bras that are smaller than our boobs. Tight bras, it then causes what we call INTERTRIGO. That is the friction that applies between your skin is rubbing against your skin or the bra against your skin. That person is going to get irritated and red, and you have to start treating the breast on the rash. Two reasons why you are suffering from under boobs rashes: yeast infection. It can be a yeast or a fungal infection. Now we know that moist place under our skin, that is the perfect environment for yeast to grow. Yeast like Candida albicans, it is the perfect place for the yeast to grow. And when it starts to grow, it gets red and it starts being itchy. Can you see some people were having the smelly boob? You have the smelly under boobs because of the sweat there, and there's nothing you're using to reduce the sweat that's happening under your boobs. There's nothing you're using to control that sweat that's happening under your boobs. Now let's talk about this topic called contact dermatitis or allergic reaction. This can happen after you try a new bra, or you try a new deodorant, or a new skincare product, or a new perfume, and then it starts to irritate that area. So that is one of the reasons why you're having under breast rashes. If you have something like this under your boobs, it's called malaria. So this is the tiny red bulbs that is found under your boobs. You sweat a lot under there because of the skin fold, and then your sweat dots get blocked or get trapped, and then you have this rashes underneath your boobs. Sometimes it's itchy, sometimes it's a bit painful. Your breast looks like this. Another reason why you are having this is you are not hygienic. You are not hygienic enough. Poor hygiene, dirty bra can cause this thing as well. You see that black bra you refuse to wash for over 10 months. You are still using the same black bra because of it is black. By the time you keep on using that bra, you're going to have this condition, this kind of condition, this kind of condition, because of those bras are harboring lots of bacteria. What do you expect? Not changing your bra often, reusing sporty bra. Most of us, that we go to workouts, you say, okay, I'll wear this sporty bra again tomorrow without washing it. You are doing yourself. This is how your breast is going to look like. This is how your under boobs are going to look like. Now I've said the causes, let's go into the solution. Girl, are you tired of the itchy rashes under your breast? Let me tell you what is causing it and how you can fix it, because girl, your skin deserves better. With Mars Beauty, you're going to learn the causes and how to treat that. Now let's go. How can you treat this? The most important thing you should do is to make sure that area is dried and clean. Make sure your under breast is dry and clean. Most people apply deodorants on the under box, so I'm going to give you a deodorant option you can apply on this other box. Make sure you are going for deodorant that has natural ingredients, that is less comedogenic and does not have a lot of fragrance, because fragrance can then irritate the skin. Use a natural deodorant, a one that has not too harsh chemicals, a natural deodorant that your skin can be able to tolerate. You know, I mentioned that fungal infections can actually cause the under the boobs rashes. You're going to use antifungal cream. You're going to use antifungal cream. You can use Ketoria, something that contains ketoconazole, cotrimazole. You know, you can also take the medicine so that it's cleaning it from the inside, and then you also apply topically on your skin. You do this for about 2 to 3 weeks depending on your pharmacist's prescription. The next thing to apply is for you to apply soothing and calming creams like aloe vera. So aloe vera is very good for under boobs rashes. Aloe vera is very good. It will help to calm the redness, or you can also try zinc oxide. It's going to help to calm the redness, calm the irritation and everything happening down there. This is why you also need to wear a breathable bra. Wear breathable bra. Cottons are the best kind of bra for your skin. They are the best. They are breathable, and then they will not cause all those kind of irritations on your skin. The last tip is the most important one. Baby powder. Use baby powder underneath your boobs. My dear, if you use baby powder underneath your boobs, you see all those rashes you are suffering from, it will get better. For us that we have bigger boobs, use baby powder, and then use cornstarch. Baby powder, cornstarch are God's favorites. They are like the key. They are like the key. So make sure you stay to the end of the video, because the last tip is the most important one. This is a life-changing tip, using a baby powder and cornstarch, and you watch it disappear. Another thing you can use is pseudo cream. Pseudo cream, or if you cannot find that in your country, you can try Sivodem. It is in Nigeria as well. And then you opt for baby diaper rash cream. A baby diaper rash cream, any of them. This can also act as baby diaper rash cream. Use that under your butt, under your boobs, and watch that rashes disappear like magic. Make sure you're following me. Make sure you click the subscribe button, okay? So what to avoid? Avoid using a lot of oils on that place, because you're not supposed to use oil at all. Oil is going to trap moisture, taking you back to square one. Avoid using oils. Avoid using harsh or scented soap. Avoid using harsh or scented soap. Use mild soap like Dove Sensitive, mild soap like CeraVe Healing Ointment. Use all those kind of things. Use you can also use La Roche-Posay ointment. You can also use Vaseline Aloe Fresh ointment. So using ointment on those places will actually help that area. Then avoid tight bras. Avoid tight bras, because tight bras would not allow blood circulation.